Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone or iPad won't turn on and stuck on Apple logo after iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe, and for latest video updates press the bell icon. Let's go to the video. We start from basic. The basic method is we have to force restart our iOS device by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until the phone is restart, and also depend on your iPhone model. Solution number 2, reinstall iOS via recovery mode. First, connect your iPhone or iPad to Mac or PC via USB cable. Then open Finder and or iTunes on your Mac or computer. Now locate your iPhone or iPad in Finder or iTunes. Something like that. Next, force restart your device to put recovery mode. If you are using iPhone 8 and later model and iPad without home button, then do the following step to get recovery mode down here. Step A, Step B and Step C. If you are using iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, then do the following step. Press and hold the sleep wake button and volume down button at the same time until the recovery mode screen appears. If you are using iPhone 6s Plus and earlier model and iPad with home button, then do the following steps. Press and hold the home button and sleep wake button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Next, a pop-up window like that appears on your Mac display. Here click on update button. This will reinstall iOS without erasing your data. If this process take more than 15 minutes, your phone will exit from recovery mode. So you have to force restart your device to get into recovery mode again. Here we just have to tap on update button. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.